Let's move on to the discussion of next exercises which are related to grammar portion. So our first grammatical topic is of relative pronouns. Let's see what are relative pronouns. A relative pronoun is one which is used to refer to nouns mentioned previously. ये किस लिए यूज़ होते हैं कि अगर कोई नाउन मेंशन हुआ है सेंटेंस के शुरू में तो उसको रेफर बैक करने के लिए, उसके बारे में दोबारा बात करने के लिए यूज़ किए जाते हैं. So, a relative pronoun is one which is used to refer to nouns mentioned previously, whether they are people, places, things, animals, or ideas. Relative pronouns can be used to join two sentences. There are only a few relative pronouns in the English language. The most common are which, that, whose, whoever, whomever, who, and whom. In some situations, the words what, when, and where can also function as relative pronouns. So let's move on to its exercise. In this exercise, we have to choose correct relative pronouns, and that will depend on our subject. So first is, why are you so sad? I have lost the pen dash I bought this morning. अब हमें relative pronouns दिए गए हैं, हमने pen को देख के कोई relative pronoun लगाना है. So which is used mostly for non-living things, so which आएगा. Second is, have you seen the man dash bought a book from the shop just now? So man के लिए हम who लगाएंगे. Have you seen the man who bought a book from the shop just now? Third is, the man dash you were talking to at the meeting is my cousin. The man who you were talking to at the meeting is my cousin. So इसके साथ भी who आएगा. Fourth is, Farid said dash he needed most was a long and quiet holiday. So Farid said what he needed most was a long and quiet holiday. Fifth is, have you got anything dash these poor women could take for their children? Have you got anything which these poor women could take for their children, because which is used for non-living things. Moving on to next grammatical topic, which is of adjective clause. So, इसका फंक्शन क्या होता है? जैसे कि हमें नाम से पता चल रहा है एडजेक्टिव. एडजेक्टिव क्या काम करता है? वो नाउन को क्वालिफाई करता है, उसको आइडेंटिफाई करता है और डिस्क्राइब करता है कि हम किस तरीके के नाउन के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, उसकी क्वालिटी क्या है, वो दिखने में कैसा है. सो एडजेक्टिव क्लॉज भी कुछ ऐसा ही फंक्शन करती है. इट मॉडिफाइज अ नाउन और प्रोनाउन इन द मेन क्लॉज. और ये इसकी निशानी क्या होती है? ये किस वर्ड से बिगिन होती है, किस वर्ड से शुरू होती है? रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन सच एज दैट, which, who, whom, whose. मतलब कि जो एडजेक्टिव क्लॉज है वो हमेशा एक रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन से शुरू हो रही होगी. इसकी एग्जाम्पल देख लेते हैं. The umbrella which has a broken handle is mine. The umbrella हमारे पास नाउन आ गया. अब कैसी अम्ब्रेला की बात हो रही है? जिसका हैंडल टूटा हुआ है. Which has a broken handle. Which आया रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन. तो which has a broken handle is adjective clause, और ये क्लॉज जो है नाउन को मॉडिफाई कर रही है. लेट्स मूव ऑन टू इट्स एक्सरसाइज. अब इस एक्सरसाइज में हमें एडजेक्टिव क्लॉज को पिक आउट करना है. सो फर्स्ट इज, अ पर्सन हु एक्नॉलेजेस हिज मिस्टेक्स इज एडमायरेबल. सो अ पर्सन हमारे पास नाउन आ गया. अब हमारे पास रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन हु है. सो हु एक्नॉलेजेस हिज मिस्टेक्स जो है हमारे पास एडजेक्टिव क्लॉज आ जाएगी, क्योंकि ये पर्सन को मॉडिफाई कर रही है, क्वालिफाई कर रही है, किस टाइप के पर्सन की बात हो रही है ये बता रही है. Second is, people who live in glass houses should not throw stones. People who live in glass houses. Third is, the books that have been recommended are all out of stock. The books that have been recommended are all out of stock. Fourth is, the question that she posed was too difficult to answer. The question that she posed. Fifth is, everyone who has been invited is present. Everyone who has been invited is present. Moving on to next question, which is, इसमें हमें adjective clauses दिए गए हैं, उसको हमने adjective phrases से replace करना है. Let's see how we'll do it. First is, he is a person who considers the interest of other people. तो इसे हम ऐसे लिख देंगे, he is a considerate person. तो ये हमारे पास सिंपल एक adjective phrase बन जाएगा. Second is, which is the road that leads most quickly to the station? Which is the shortest road to the station? Third is, the explanation he gave was not satisfactory. So इसे हम कर देंगे, he gave unsatisfactory explanation. Fourth is, this is the place where our forefathers landed. So this is the landing place of our forefathers. Last one is, the reason why he failed is obvious. So iska hoga, he had obvious reason of his failure. Moving on to our next grammatical topic, and that is of second conditional. Second conditional sentences में हम क्या करते हैं? We speculate about situation that will probably never happen at present or in future. तो इसमें हम कयास अराई करते हैं कैसी सिचुएशन की जो कि probably मतलब ज़्यादा चांसेस है कि कभी ना प्रेजेंट में होगी और ना ही फ्यूचर में होगी. So इसकी एग्जाम्पल है, what would you do if there were no more books? ठीक है, आपने इफ़ क्लॉज में सिंपल पास्ट टेंस यूज़ करना है. मेन क्लॉज में क्या करना है? वुड के साथ आप बेस फॉर्म यूज़ करोगे, मतलब फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब यूज़ करोगे. सो लेट्स मूव ऑन टू इट्स एक्सरसाइज. पुट इन द करेक्ट सेकंड कंडीशनल वर्ब फॉर्म. मेक श्योर कि आपने इफ़ के साथ हमेशा पास्ट टेंस यूज़ करना होता है. सो इफ़ ही वॉज यंगर, बी की वॉज फॉर्म यूज़ करेंगे बिकॉज पास्ट टेंस यूज़ करना है. He would travel more. If she not be always so late, if she was not always so late, she dash be promoted. She would be promoted. If I spoke perfect English, I would have a good job. Fourth is, if she passed the exam, she would be able to enter university. Fifth is, we would buy a house if we decided to stay here. Now this question is of passive voices. इसमें हमें क्या करना है कि हमें jumbled words दिए गए हैं, एक सीक्वेंस में नहीं है, ऑर्डर में नहीं है, हमने ऑर्डर में इनको लिखना है और पैसिव वॉइस में क्वेश्चंस बनाने हैं. सो फर्स्ट इज, were caught the thieves. सो इसमें हम ऐसे करेंगे, were the thieves caught. Second is, accepted will be my apology. Will my apology be accepted? Third is, the workers by computers will be replaced. So, will the workers be replaced by computers? Fourth is, was the accident by the police yesterday seen? So, was the accident seen by the police? Fifth is, where the first underground railway opened was. So, Where was the first underground railway went? With this, we have come towards end of our today's video lecture. I hope जो भी आज हमने पढ़ा वो आपको clarity के साथ समझ आया होगा. Inshallah, we'll be meeting with some new topic in our next video. Till then, take care. This is me, Maha, your English instructor from tutoria.pk signing out.